This is how to install my TPS Campus extension. First, go to the link, press install this script. It will say if you see this, it means that you did not install TemperMonkey on your browser. Now, choose your browser type. Go to TemperMonkey, get from store, get add extension. It's free, but because it is in your extension store, so it says gets from store. Now you want to go here to show the icon here. Now you want to go back to TPS Campus, reload, and install the script. Install. Now if you refresh it, it says it is enabled, but it didn't actually render it because you need to enable your browser's developer mode here. I think I need to enable it here at the extensions page. Yeah, I didn't enable it. Now I think I need to refresh the dashboard page here. Yeah, so then you need to copy this and go to create a new tab, or maybe you can just copy a tab, duplicate tab, and you need to disable this first. Okay, refresh. After it loaded, enable it. I need to make sure that this is also enabled. Now, hopefully it will show red one here. So if it didn't, just disable it, load it, enable it, reload it. Yeah, and hopefully it will work. Now here's some rendered at the bottom of my walls page because it will be very distracting for people to see other stuff. As you can see, they can support the headers, syntax highlighting for languages. Yeah, so this is just how to install my extension script.